Hey, welcome back. I'm Dr. Vince Leone, and I'm a chiropractor here in Tacoma, Washington. And in this video series, what we do is we answer the most commonly asked questions about chiropractic. And these come in via email or I hear them in the office. So today's topic is what is that popping sound when I get adjusted? So it's really simple. The spine, of course, is made up of spinal bones, and those are all connected by spinal joints, and those joints are classified as synovial joints. And what that means is just that there's a synovial fluid as well as gas in that joint itself. So now when we adjust and we move that bone back into place, take pressure off the nerve and relieve the symptom, when that joint releases, that's the sound it makes. The gas escapes and it makes that popping sound. So now this will generally happen with a manual adjustment. It generally will not happen with an instrument adjustment. So if it bothers you at all, then you may want to look for a chiropractor that does instrument adjusting. So I'm Dr. Vince Leone. If you'd like more information on this topic and others, you can visit my website at leonenewlife.com. There is a sign-up box there so that you can get on our email list, and you'll get all of these wonderful topics delivered right to your inbox. Now, a new thing we're doing today is we're going to start ending on a quote. And today's quote is, "The first and best victory is to conquer oneself." And that was spoken by Plato. So ponder that, and I will see you on the next video.